Happy New Year! I'm David Stark, and welcome to a special edition of the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. We'll look back at trends and forces influencing buyers and sellers. One of those forces was mortgage interest rates. According to the California Association of Realtors, rates throughout 2023 were significantly higher than during previous years when many current homeowners refinanced into very low interest rate mortgages. Homeowners in the East Bay who may have been thinking about selling had to consider that their new mortgage payments for a new home might be much more than what they were currently paying. So they stayed home. They didn't put their home on the market, which resulted in far less inventory than during 2022. On average, buyers had about 500 fewer homes to choose from each month during the year. Let's talk about buyers. They had to deal with those higher interest rates too. Even though homeownership was very desirable during 2023, buyers had to think twice about making really aggressive offers. As a result, prices didn't skyrocket during the year. While sales prices for homes in the East Bay were in the $1 million range, they were actually slightly lower than during 2022. The combination of fewer choices and higher interest rates made homeownership a challenge for buyers, and some sellers may have had to adjust their expectation regarding prices. However, both buyers and sellers moved quickly during 2023. A home was on the market in the East Bay an average of 23 days, which was just a bit longer than during 2022. This says that even with higher interest rates, buyers were making offers and sellers were accepting quickly. Now, fewer homes on the market resulted in significantly fewer sales. Home sales during 2023 were at a 5-year low. That was 2023. What about 2024? Interest rates will be a major factor again. While there probably won't be a big increase in the number of homes for sale, if rates remain high, prices could actually stabilize. Next month, we'll see if that's happening in each East Bay community. See you then.